get the most.
Further south and west you live, you guys, the more snow you're going to see out of this, but this isn't going to be a major snow for you, and to move it around, it should be pretty easy. We're waiting to saturate the atmosphere. We're getting there, but it's not quite there yet. Look at the band of snow, and this is kind of its trajectory as far as the, we'll call them more decent accumulation, because this is not going to be a big snowmaker. There's the main batch, 2 to 4 inches. You can see the further south and west you live, the better your chances of seeing that. The further to the north, there's like Fond du Lac and Sheboygan, a trace to up to an inch there. Here's how it breaks down. Overnight, going into tomorrow morning, probably ending in the mid-morning hours, a lot of us with 1 to up to 3 inches. Again, the higher totals further to the south and west, and then to the south and west, 2 to 4 inches there. And again, this is going to be pretty easy to move around for you because of that. Right now, for a lot of our counties in Milwaukee, starting at midnight, we're going to have that winter weather advisory rolling until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, but it's quiet right now in 14 in Waukesha, 17 in Milwaukee, 15 Watertown and West Bend. And what I see are these temperatures stabilizing right now, which means the clouds are rolling in and we're starting to saturate that atmosphere. So tomorrow morning, you guys, it could be a little bit slippery for some of us, especially the further south and west you live. We're going up to 21 degrees. We'll end that snow by mid-morning, and another round moves in. Imagine that. We'll talk about that coming up.
All right, Fish, thanks.